0. What happened to all boys? Online, is it clear, ma? Yes. Good. Let me share the screen. Let's start here. Good. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all. How are you all? Good. Fine. Now, sir, let me show you what we have discussed yesterday. Online also, you can see what we have discussed yesterday. Good. 1%. Yep. Nice. Let me bring it up. Open folder, HTML, see, no, full stack 9. Today will be our last class, sir. I'm just gonna repeat it whole things and I'm just gonna give you whatever the materials you needed and all. Let me show it to you what I did. Go live. This is the website I have tried, sir. No. No. This is the website I have tried, sir. Online, someone asked me a question. Const numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and numbers of 100 is 500. Then it will have console number. You will get it like 101 elements in the numbers array because 100th element is filled with 500. When we discussed arrays, I told you numbers are having, it's like, yeah, Santosh, you will get it like output will be numbers array with 101 elements. All are empty except first 4 and the last 500. Now, let's see it here, sir, one more time what you did. I used Bootstrap. I used basic CSS. I used HTML and I used JavaScript here. First, I used an API to get this data. After getting this data, if I click add to cart, item is added to the cart. If I go to this page, item is added to the cart. And if you don't want it, you can remove it. If you want it, you can click here checkout and you can go to the payment gateway. And that is what we did. We didn't implement the payment gateway one, but you can try it on. But we are putting value in 100. It will take it, ma. Online, someone asked me one silly question that is very simple. In arrays chapter, we discussed this. Deco one array is there, which is like 543. Now, what is ARR of 0 index? 1 index? 3 index? Sorry. 1 index? 4. 2 index? 3. Right? What if I go with 3 index? ARR of 3. Undefined. ARR of 3 is undefined. Can I give it like ARR of 100 equals to 55? Yeah. Now what is the ARR of 100? Total how many elements are there in the array now? 101. Barabar. Very simple logic it is. 101. You can give anywhere you want. Because there is no fixed size here. They are expandable. Online, is it clear, ma? Santosh. Now, this is what the project we did, sir. Okay. You can learn about it some kind of, if you are going with some kind of logics here, you can even change the primary keys and all. If I go here, if I change some kind of primary keys, if I say here, primary, dash, BS dash primary, if I go, this blue color is coming. Imagine I change this blue color to pink color. If I say this BS dash blue also, something like pink color, then why they are not coming? You can change the variables, sir, however you want it. I think something wrong. Now, you can change the colors. You can change it. Nice interface. You can put sorting. You can put such. You can put each product its own page. Okay. I want you to implement such dynamic features so that your project will be something good. Online, is it clear, ma? You can implement pages like login. You can implement pages like registration. Okay, using Bootstrap. By default, Bootstrap will give you so many things, sir. Okay, try those things so that your website will become more interesting and easy. And this is about the project, sir. Now, if anyone have any questions in the project, you can ask me. If anyone have doubted like how to implement any other thing also, I will try it. Just try to implement it anything you wanted, I will try it. Any question? No. Huh. Explain it one more time. Browser object model means everywhere, everywhere here, everywhere here, whatever you are doing it, dekho. Here I'm doing this all printing everything. Now if you go here sources now, if you go here sources, if you see here first thing, I'm just keeping it here. First thing sources JavaScript, and I'm stopping this program. On the first thing only I'm stopping it to this program. Fetch data. When I stop this program starting only, now can you see whatever is storing here, everything is starting in global. Can you see global scope is there? Now who is maintaining this global scope? Everything you do is inside the window only. If you go inside the window only, alert is there. If you go inside the window only, the bootstrap is stored. If you go window only, you will have something caches. Window only Chrome is there. Window only confirm is there. Window only have fetch. Window only will have console, document, kuch bhi. Because everything a browser does actually inside one object. Who controls that object is window. That object name is. That's why it's called browser object. Understanding browser object is called browser object model. What it can do browser can store data. If I use window local storage, window के अंदर local storage रहता. If I use that local storage, I can save data. Yesterday I did local storage. And inside the window, something like media is there. Using that, I can able to take my video and audio, which I did. Inside the window, geolocation is there. Using that, I can able to give my location and all. Are you getting my point, ma? So anything you wanted to use in the window, that is called browser object model only. You can try different functions which will work. Mainly in interviews, they will ask you local storage and session storage. Online, someone ask it like, can we do endless scrolling feature with using APIs? Yeah, endless scrolling, you can able to make it. Okay. You can make it like whenever you reach it to the end, again you will call the API to bring it some more. That's it. The moment it's end of the page, again you will call, okay, again you will call, another API. It's like, go here, you can use an event document dot add event listener, scroll end. See, scroll end bole to whenever people reaches to the end of the page, na, again we will call one function. In that function, again you will fetch some data. Again you will fetch some data, and that data you will again add it to the previous data. Any doubt, sir? Any doubt ma online? Online, any doubts? Like that you can try it, sir. Like that you can add it more and more. Someone asked it like endless API. Someone is asking, what if someone opens use Mac or Linux? Same thing will happen. Kuch nahi hota. You think website will change for Mac or Linux? No. Website will not change based on operating system. Website will change it based on screen size. My website is not looking in different web screens. Dekho my website. If you see my website, is it looking good in mobiles? Go to sources first. Come here. Now see this. Is it looking good in mobiles, ma? Is it looking good? No. So in mobiles, if you wanted to make good, what you will do? You go here, you go to JavaScript, and here you added class names. You added class names. Here you added like uh something like card. You put it something like CSS, I think you did. In CSS, I put it repeat 3 comma 1 FR. Same logic if I go for something like media queries. If I go for a media queries, media max width, max width. Normally for mobiles, 570 pixel is the maximum width. Now until the maximum width 570 pixel, do it only 1 comma 1 FR. And maximum for a tablet is 778 or something, 776. Okay, go for those. I'm going with something like 992. And that only 2 will come. Now dekho, my website is something responsive now. You don't need to repeat it all. Same thing. Now see, now you see my website. In Chota device, they are like 2 are coming. When I go for, why 2 are coming? It should be something like 1 only, na? Max width 570 pixel. They will have repeat 1 comma 1 FR only. Then why they are having it like 2? Why 992 is applied? Okay, first you should go with higher ones, then you should come with lower ones. Always order is important. Then it will work. Dekho 1 is coming. Mobile, it is good looking now. Website. Now, if I go for bigger ones, here 2 are coming. Here also it is looking good. When I go for complete bigger, 3 are coming. Here also it is looking good. Online, any doubts, ma? Responsive is easy if you are using it something called Bootstrap. You can use it media queries or Bootstrap, your wish. It's all dependent on the API. Sir, in tab screen without display grid, how 2 divs are coming side by side? Dekho, in tab screen also, it's display grid only. Understand this logic. By default, display grid is there. Are you changing display grid to display flux? No, no. Both times you want display grid only, na? Only you wanted to change columns. Here I gave it 3 columns, but in tablet screen, until 570 pixel, 1 column. After 576 pixel, until 992, you want 2 columns. You mentioned, na? After 992, you will have general 3 columns. That is how you do it, sir. Any other doubts? No. Now, other things, sir. Take it here. Resumes. Some people's resumes are not looking good. I want every one of you to make your resumes good and start looking for jobs. You all are 2024 passed out now? Or 2025? 23? 22? 24 only na? If anyone is there from 21, 20, how many are 22? 1, 2. Why is anyone 22? You too should look for more jobs. Are you guys looking for jobs? Any interviews you guys entered? What is happening then? Non-IT చేస్తున్నావా? Are you presently working in non-IT? How many years you worked in non-IT? 3 years you worked. 2.5 years you have. You have PF and experience. What is the role name? Marketing analyst. Company? In your payslip, will it come as marketing analyst only? Say it like marketing analyst, and your work is to build the website also. In some companies, marketing analysts do the websites. Your work is to make your website according to the trends so that it will have higher reach. You need to create landing pages, and that landing pages will attract the audience. Okay, say that, write it in your resume. You have experience market analyst and web developer. Okay, put it the 2.5 years experience, and go to Naukri, write it your resume as 2.5 years experienced one. You will get job within a month. You will get higher package also. Usually you will get it. What's your last drawn package? You will get it easily 7. Try it. Okay. Just make the resume and let me know. What about you, ma? 2.5 years ఏం చేస్తారు మేడం? Mumbai. Mumbai is difficult. How much time you worked in Mumbai? 4 months is, but you must have come long back, na then. That's okay, darling. But you don't have to say these things into the interview, na. So do one thing. In interview, say it like instead of you learned from Naresh IT, you worked 2 years in Naresh IT training the web development. Naresh IT or some colleges or something college, you worked as a trainer. You worked as a trainer and you trained so many people regarding the web development. Due to your health issues or some financial reasons, at that time you are not getting a chance to go to software. But you have a tremendous knowledge. With that, you came here and you taught. Now you are okay. Now you wanted to go to the job. Put this 2 years experience as a trainer, and they won't ask experience certificate because you are teaching experience, and go to the job directly as 2 years. Okay, do it today only. Now, someone in the online are also giving it. Someone in the online are going with this. See, let me tell you each one. Someone is saying it like I have 1.8 years experience of Java. Then Santosh, what are you doing with web development? HTML. Java में करो ना. I was 4 years experience in manual testing at global test step. Then put that manual testing and saying it like now you are switching into web development. Don't leave it. You will get it easily job opportunity if you are switching careers also. Someone is saying it like I have experience as a website designer. WordPress designers are also web designers. If you don't have PF and all, if you have health experience and you need to put your call letter or offer letter and you need to put it like experience ones. Both you have to go here. Both you have to put. Someone have experience in Infosys as a front-end developer. I'm resigning October since some reason. So Snehal, if you are having, I didn't understand. If you are having 2.5 years experience in Infosys, you came to my HTML class for fun. I didn't understand, ma. If you are a front-end developer of 2.5 years, you know this everything which I taught every day. So you are just telling me after 3 months of this, reminding people, okay, I wanted to be full Marin again. If you wanted full Marin again, concentrate more with the React. That's why join. That's good one. That's good one. Go for something React more. Everyone, simple suggestion. What is the next thing to do? Today I will tell you what is the next thing to do. Go for a website called Roadmap. Roadmap.sh and see the roadmap. Roadmap. And in this roadmap, go for front end and try to see everything which you can do it in your front end. If you wanted to learn React, go for this React one also. They will give you something React. If you want to learn React, for React roadmap, you will get it completely React roadmap. Someone is saying it like they have 3 years experience with PHP. Sir, there are so many jobs which are for PHP developers because PHP are getting it like no one is doing it. So you go for it. You will get higher jobs. Add HTML, CSS, JavaScript as your extra things and do it for job today only. Now we are learning JS. You can put it as full stack web developer. Kuch nahi hota. Wants to switch to React. You can do that. Keep it PHP and switch for React, but mention it as web developer. It will work for you. Specifically, Marna React backend like this. Yeah. Put it everyone. Today, I want your resume to write it as Mern full stack developer already. I know that you did not do any projects. Go to GitHub, type it Mern full stack projects and download some projects. Keep a nice changes to them and upload it in your GitHub today only. You take someone's project, change it and upload it. After uploading, write it in detail. See, chota things are not your projects. Your projects has to be something e-commerce or something big things. Those things keep it. After you keep it your things, make it your portfolio. Now let me open like someone is mentioning their portfolios. I don't know, most people still did not submitted their portfolios. See, someone did their portfolio. They put a loader. I don't like loaders, ma, but it is okay. See, Hemant Marella, that is good. I don't know why you put this background. Why? So background ka, see, Himalayas are there. Like, why? Is it something like you know, is it like something tourism site? If it is something tourism site, Himalayas are okay. Change the image, sir. Now background, the top is okay, good. The loader is coming. It's an animation, scroll based animation, this loader. Having who am I? This one is looking so good. Design wise, it is so good. Nice. You are making it a background of cross. And whenever I'm making it, you are bringing these things. They are good, good, good. Having kind of good logic. Now, skills, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and all. Visit my GitHub, contact me, nice. You are giving one video which is playing automatic and projects to do app. I want you to change the projects. Put the project something bigger. Clothify. This is like good one. Okay. This is like good one. I love these animations. Right click, inspect. I like these animations, zip animations which you are giving it actually. Whatever you are giving it. Next. Get in touch, send, and you are going with something connected with me soon. The site is looking good. Let me see it like responsiveness. No, no, I don't recommend it. Like, why it is not going with something like, you know, huh? Maybe something inspect wrong. Oh, no. So why menu is not becoming hamburger menu? Remaining things are okay. I want it to become hamburger menu, sir. Only header needs to be hamburger. Remaining all are good. Everyone see this website. Did you understand how your portfolio should be? It should be something, attractive. Except this background one, which is not having meaning, I'm okay with every other thing. Online, any doubts are there? No. Sir, what if I wanted something good things? Dekho, if you wanted to put in your website some good thing, there is one website called UI Verse. What is the website name? UI Verse. Type it here, one website called why it is Universa? Not this. UI Verse. If you type UI Verse, dekho, UI Verse, yourverse.io. This one will contain almost all these things which can make your website. See, for example, you wanted a website, you wanted a button like this. You wanted a button like this. You want something like star thing like this. If you go here, you will get the code. You check it on anything. For example, take these buttons. You want it which type of button? Like if I go here, simple things, over me, something, copy link, copied. See, you take it any kind of logic, sir. I want you to try this kind of things. Already, see if I click this button, this is simple. Subscribe. How to build a payment gateway in this, like library or anything? Payment gateway comes with the library. We don't build payment gateway in the HTML CSS because this basic JavaScript will be something not secure. If I use any bundler like width and all, I may use it. So if you use it React and all, you can put a payment gateway. Directly Razor Pay is there. Razor Pay, PayU. Some payment gateways will be there. Those payment gateways, they will give you, kind of APIs. You will just attach those APIs. You will get it, sir. Okay. Now, see, if you want nice cards, like projects, you want to keep your projects. He put his projects now. Similarly, you can also put your projects. Different ways. You can put your projects in different ways. Are you getting my points, ma? The website name is UIverse. Okay. Another website, same like this. Another website, Code My UI. Code My UI. Code My UI. If you go to Code My UI also, you will have so many things which are by design, and those things will give you some good example. Code My UI. So many ads are there. Now I'll go here, some kind of navigation menu. You take any kind of site like this. See, you want it to any kind of this pages. If you click that page now, automatically they will show how to do this. Go here, open this. Page is not looking good. There is a critical error on this website. Something problem is there. So it's not looking good. Second one, or try this. There is a website called Free Frontend. Free Frontend. Free Frontend. In this also you can able to see so many logics they will show. Okay, they will always give you something nice things if you want to go for this. See, for example, someone write an article, 10 CSS plus buttons. Now go here. I already write list of resources, sir, in one file called resources. If you go here, inside the resources, all are there. If you want it like more resources, you can even see. If you want all of this now, already I gave it in resources, but if you go to this one website I gave na GitHub web development resources. If you go here now, automatically in this web development resources only, they will give you all the list, complete list. If you want for photos, if you want coding platforms, if you want learning platforms, if you want user interface, if I want code editors, if you want animations, extensions, everything, whatever you want, they will give you. UI components, let's click here. And these websites will give you the components. React components, Angular libraries, everything, whatever you want, they will give you, sir. Whatever the Chrome extensions you can put, whatever the animation libraries you have, documentations websites, inspirations websites, color palettes websites, code editors website, code editors. So like this, everything they will give you, sir. Okay. Now I will add this also if you want it. Code my UI verse, pre front end. Now if I go to any articles like this, now they will show you different things. See, this is one animation website. CSS buttons. See, any doubts, sir? Any kind of things you can keep it. All are happening here. Huh? If you go, I don't know code whether they are giving it or not. Go here. No, they are not giving code. Go here. GitHub. Dekho, GitHub. Now if I open their GitHub, are they providing it? Repositories, CSS buttons. Now all buttons are inside this only. You can see it like button.css. Inside this, they write it all buttons ka CSS. You need to check which button is which. Then you will get it. But sir, you don't need to worry. See, CSS1, if they don't give code also, if you right click and inspect, you will get it na. Overwrapping effect also. Okay. But my point is this front end, free front end na, it will give you nice websites. They will check the inference. See, even I don't know this. First time I'm seeing it. Every style imaginable. This is actually looking good. Now this guy is giving it. You don't need to remember anything. Library. These are libraries only. JavaScript libraries I gave it now. Good libraries I gave one name. I think JS libraries we discussed. JS libraries we discussed as jQuery. You remembered na? I used it jQuery. So best libraries I know that jQuery. If you want it like DOM manipulation and Ajax and Axios, you can use it for instead of fetch. You can use it Axios for HTTP requests, or you can use it something called React is also a library which you are learning actually. In React class, if you go, they will tell you library hai wo. Angular framework रहता. So and mm, uh, swipe swiper JS or same like swiper, you have something called slick. Slick is also sliders only they will give you. Slicks or owl carousel, they will give sliders. And if you want this effects now, I don't know whether you tried this or not, but if you tried, this is something fun. Particles JS. Have you ever tried this particles JS? This is some vintage code. Background ये आता. You can build this site directly. Very simple code. Directly they will give you code if you go to their GitHub. That is particle JS. You can put some kind of snow effect or something kind of one. Okay. Animations, you have GSAP, AOS, Anime.js, or 3JS for 3D animations. For charts, you have Chart.js, or you have something called AmChart. Mm, any more you can go with it? Let's go with this popular JS libraries. People use this Ember.js once upon a time. It's one of the top actually. Ember.js, Backbone.js. Now people are not using it. Next.js is not a library. Next.js is a framework. Remaining all and all, you don't need it. It depends on use case. If you are sending some emails, you will have separate one. If you are each one have the separate thing. You tell me any use case for that one library will be there in JavaScript. Kuch bhi. For example, search chartbot JS library. Chart UI is there. Can you see this? Something is there for chart UI. This is something automatically will give you chartbot for charting one. So, or Chatterbot or something, people chat widget, JavaScript API. There are so many will do that. There are so many JavaScript libraries which will give you so many logics like e-commerce JS library, 5 best JS JavaScript tools, not tools. I wanted libraries. What they are giving it. Okay. I told you to read, if you remember, sir, I told you to read this. Read this medium dev. Are you there, ma? Are you all trying to read dev till? I told you first day. I started with dev only. Try dev and all. Those things will help you, ma, really. Most people don't tell you, but these things will help you. Even I read it till date. I read it till date every day. Those things will help you really. Okay, this is not about libraries. Try it any kind of one. And if you ever go to internet, ma, if you ever go to internet GitHub, type it something called open source. What is that? Open source. Open source means you will get it something down, code. Some website they wanna build, they will give directly full code. For example, open source OTT JavaScript. Why no, nothing is coming? Then open source OTT JavaScript. Someone created OTT clone using the basic JavaScript. Plain JavaScript they did. This is not an open source, but open source means they will create a good software and they will leave it for free, sir. I want you to do it. I want you to go to open source and build it. If you go to websites like first thing, type it here, first contributions. GitHub first contributions. Go here. They will tell you step by step guide. See, can you see pictures? Do it exactly how they say and try it. Automatically, you will create it some kind of request to these people. First thing you need to fork their repository. Okay, go here, fork their repository. After forking, go to the code, copy their things. Okay, and go here, go to your local host, go to that CD. You created one kind of branch. Create a new branch with your name. If you remember, we all did this. You all created a branch and connected to my thing, na? And later, I think someone's data I added into my code also. Okay. Same way, I want you to try it for real websites. First contribution is the first step. After that, there are some real websites. You know, Free Code Camp is a website is there. There is a website called Free Code Camp, and that website is a open source. That means if any errors are there or if anyone wants to add anything, they can go and do it. Go to websites like Free Code Camp. Now you go here. Then in that Free Code Camp, see 197 issues are there. No one are solving it. Now you go to this issue, understand it like how these issues you can solve. Audit CSS animations quiz. Now go here. So there are so many problems here. Read it. What is the problem? What is the issue here? Okay. Now what is the issue? After understanding issues, then you can able to, add some kind of logic. See, someone try to put it some kind of code. They put it some kind of committed for another person's. After they keep it now, then if you want it like if they want it like your solution, they will add that to there. So you will become a contributor to open source. You will not get any money, but supporting to open source will always give you something boost. If you mention in your resume, I'm an open source contributor, it will be something good always. Learn, learn web development more and more. Learn the basic CMS platforms. Like someone in the online mentioned it, there are platforms, CMS platforms like WordPress or some another CMS platforms, Wix or something like Shopify. Those things were very easy to build. Drag and drop. Try those platforms also. Try to build it more and more websites. The more you websites you build, the more you will understand how to create those websites. Any doubts online, sir? I already provided interview questions for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Try it today onwards the jobs. Mainly React. Built one library, built one some kind of pickup. Now here some buttons are there, na? We don't know who created that. Someone is created, we are using for buttons code now. Now you create one website, sir. In that website, you will put whatever you want, different components, different buttons, different scrollers, different text formats, different shadow effects, or different cards, different components. Then anyone want that particular component, they can come to that website, they can take the code. How much easy and beautiful it is. Is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear, sir? Online, is it clear? Yeah. Resumes prepare and LinkedIn. Do you guys know how to use LinkedIn? I think one day I showed it. Again, I'm showing it one more time. Go to LinkedIn. Go to LinkedIn. Type it here. For example, you wanted to write, you wanted to become something full stack web developer, right? React developer, or type it here full stack developer, kuch bhi. Then already React developer peoples will be there. People who are working somewhere. See, she is a senior analyst and senior React native developer at Capgemini. Connect it. Just click connect. Kuch bhi, everyone's. And if you wanted job, go for here, hash React hiring. See, internet works with hashtag. No one is there, hash React hiring. Is it will be there? Okay, sorry. Will it be there? Hash React hiring. No, no posts. Hiring for contact HR. Can you see these HRs are there? So go to this HRs, directly message them. Okay. And your profile should look like this. See this? Can you see this? Your profile should be having some pic. Show your face pic only. Don't show any other things. And make it like something open to work or something kind of one. Okay. And background, this is not a good background. You can put it a background which will show who you are. Full stack developer or kuch bhi. And whatever your role is there, your role should be there here. What you work for. Minimum 500 connection should be there. And you should maintain a clear cut about should be something so good, and everything you do today, everything whatever you do, you should put it here. Okay, you should write it here. See, she is hiring. Go for hiring. What she is hiring? She is hiring in Kochi something Calcut and lead Java developer. Okay, I don't want. Now all I want is React ka hiring. Then I will say React JS. No, or hiring. Let's go here, hiring. Just go here, hiring. If you type it hiring, why posts are not coming? Because I clicked here people from starting and this is a problem. Click here all. React, maybe here I will get. If I click here React hiring, can you see this? When I type React hiring, can you see this, sir? Some people are post it. Some people will post it. Okay. Oh, about this React one, if they are hiring someone's, they will post it. What? See it here. If anyone is hiring it, just go for it. Or even though people are not hiring it, you will understand it like some nice profiles. You will open their profiles and you try to build your website into their profile. Similarly. No, hiring. See, we are actively hiring it. Fund managers. I don't want. Actively hiring side. No need. Designers. No need. Hash. Hash. React. We are hiring Java tech lead, React developer. See, I got it. How many minutes ago they posted? 23 hours ago they posted. Someone named Marina Priti, they posted like they wanted like full stack developer or something kind of React or something kind of one. Then immediately I will go to her profile. I will directly text her. If premium they wanted, mostly people whenever they message, they will not get a premium. You don't need it premium. But for some people you need it a premium. Then take a premium. You don't need to pay. You take it someone's credit card and give it automatically 1 month you will get for free. Take free premium and try it. Is it clear? Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear, ma? I can't show my profile. Why? Because according to the profile, I'm not in India. Okay. My client is in US and I am also in US. Any other? Sir, if nothing is working, what to do? Do freelancing. If you want it like, if you want it like, you know, if you want it like something like good experience without joining into the job, go for freelancing. Go to websites like Fever and all, try to post it your things, and then once you get a basic client, give your best to do it for your client. You will get it automatically. People will work when they are under pressure, actually. When you are doing your own portfolio, na, dekho, portfolio project, I gave it like 2 months back. Still half of the people did not do. But imagine If I give it here, portfolio project, and I said it like you have to complete my portfolio in 2 days and I will pay you something like some kind of 5,000. You will do it in 2 days. Even though you don't know how to build it, you will learn and do it. तो money motivate करता, वो pressure motivate करता, time होना है. And those things go and try to fit it into that. Are you getting my point, ma? Online, what is the right time to switch company? The right time to switch company is that one, two things. One is you should able to financially survive for 2 months without having job also. For example, you are working in a company 1 year, 2 years, but still you don't have single money also in your pocket. Every month you are spending it out. Then it is not right time. You need to have at least 2 months survival easily. Second thing, you are already prepared for your interviews and all. See, normally when you are working in a company, you will focus on only that project. You are not good with all topics, but interview में जाइए तो ये पूरा पूछता, फिर some starting आने से prepare करना है, तो वो कैसा ये पूरा prepare करना है. तो once you are prepared with yourself, once you have minimum 1 year's experience, you can switch. कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, but notice periods you have to serve. Which cloud certification exam is good, AWS or Azure, so that we can add it our skill set? Dekho, you are doing web development. If you want it like AWS and Azure, I don't think they are needed for you. You are not DevOps people. But if you wanted to do it, AWS is the best than Azure. Any other doubts? Online, any doubts, sir? Online, any doubts, sir? No. What about offline? Any sites to improve English speaking? See, English speaking will comes by speaking, na? I will give you two tips which no one gives you. I will give you two tips. First tip, listen to English more, not speaking. Like most people don't listen. Like go here, for example, some people, some people who don't know English fluently also will do all the, rap. When they listen rap songs, they will do rap whole song. Why? Because when they listen to the song, they will listen very clearly, momentarily. But when we watch English movie, what will happen? We will focus on the people, not on the dialogues most. So you take it any English movie, but close your eyes, put it your earphones and listen to English movie like a radio movie. Are you getting my point, ma? That will improve your, English vocabulary. Second one, second one, go and talk to, go and talk to, uh, you know, people by using some kind of, how can I say, like, see, normally most people have problem this. They are like, you can't talk to your friends. Friends will never talk to you in English. Okay, that's very simple. You can't talk to your seniors because you feel it like something they will, underestimate you or something. So talk to your juniors, like fourth class wala, fifth class wala. You randomly go to one school, sir. Have some nice tuck, have some nice dress. Go to one school. Say it like we are from so and so foundation, and we are here to give seminar to certain students. Take it sixth class students or seventh or eighth class. They are good people. Okay. So go to those people. Tell them story or tell them some joke, say something, whatever you wanted. They all will laugh, they all will cry, they all will clap, and you get down. While doing this, you will improve English. Because now one time, see, maybe for you that is nothing. But for those people, 15 minutes they will skip class for your thing, na? That means something. And also they will feel it like, this guy, someone come to my class to give this story. That story is so good. They will remember for lifetime. And in their story, you are hero. And at that moment, your mind also will say, for example, on the stage, you can't speak. At that moment, your mind will say, next time when you go to another school, this time your mind will say something kind of. I think school authorities will not allow for this. They will allow. Every school authority, they will allow. All you have to say is, you have to say it is an educational program or something. We are taking some survey or something. You should convince them. But any school will allow. Why? When we studied also, so many people came. For every school, someone come na? Someone gave this na? You all should do is bluff. Simple. Or do one thing. If school is not allowing na, tell it in a different way. Tell it like, we are doing it one exam. We are conducting one exam for students. For that, we are doing some survey. And the exam registration fee is 99 rupees. Whatever they pay you, in that 40%, we will give it to you. You will not conduct an exam only, na? You will just tell story and leave the school. Tell it like you will give 50% to school only. Kuch nahi hota. Are you getting my point, sir? Online, are you getting my point? See, this is not cheating. I want you to test it with real people. Why? Most people knows English. You all know English. You all are good at English. But see, because you are good at English, only when I am speaking, you are getting it, na? But you are not confident on it. See, I am speaking fluently because you all are kids in front of me. When I speak with my seniors and all, when I speak with my client, obviously I will be like, what is this? Same thing happened to me when I joined my offices. So I want you to speak your chota bachas. Automatically you will get it English because you know how to control them. Are you getting my point, ma? If you wanted to remember, in every school there will be one PT teacher who speaks butler English, but still they survive. Okay. Most people don't tell you. They will say it like read the books and all. No, it will take a lot of time if you read the books. If you directly speak to people, you will learn immediately. Any other questions, any other problems you have, tell me. And our Telegram group will be there. You can mention it in React or kuch bhi. I will tell you. Just dial website, most website of most, sir, what API they will use. I don't know what API they will use. You can check it. Why don't you check it? Go and type it something called just dial. Right click, inspect. I think they have their own API. Sources, network. Type it here. See, they have their own APIs always. You can see that how they are getting it each and every time data. How they are getting the data. You check it on that, sir. Is it clear, ma, online? I see why I told you this technique is usually I go to schools whenever I'm free. Saturdays, Sundays, if I'm free, whenever I get it one holiday, I will just go to schools, nearest schools, and I will just tell some random stories and I will say bye bye. That will be so good, so interesting also. That I started doing it. I love teaching. Then I started teaching in schools. I worked for international schools and Cambridge. And then I came here. Then I came to I worked in international schools for 2 years as a physics lecturer. Then after that, I came to the training this particular ones. While working in software, from starting onwards, while working on software, I did this. I love teaching. That's why I came here. So I want you to try something like this. It will be really beautiful when you tell someone something. They will love it, especially kids. Adults actually don't listen to school, classes. Kids listen nicely. 10th class people, see, 10th class people are also worst these days. But 7th class, 8th class, those people are looking actually, they listen to something. They really believe it like, ah, sir is telling something today, I will learn something, I am happy. But when you come to adult now, when you become adult, you are like, you went to school, you went to college. Oh, yeah, that's it. You will not even learn on it. We will not listen to lecturers. We will not do anything. Any other, sir, online? Online, any other doubts you have? No. Offline, any doubts, ma? Huh? Counter? నౌకరీలో జాబ్సా? ప్రీమియం తీసుకోండి. देखो, Naukri website is there, na? You go to Naukri website. Go here, Naukri. If you go here, Naukri Premium, you all have Naukri, na? Does anyone of you have Naukri Premium? Now, see this. If I go here, Naukri Premium, now I wanted to take basic premium, sir. Now here, can you read this? Free profile competes with 7 crore profiles, while paid profile competes with 50,000 profiles only. That means Naukri people are saying it like they have 7 crore people in their website, but only 50,000 people paid them. You take it any person, they will not pay for Naukri. Okay. But my logic is this: when you don't pay for someone, that someone will not care for you. That's why you will get scammers in Naukri. Now you pay for them. Imagine for 1 month I'm paying 1,000 rupees. Okay, so that you will be in. I want you to pay 1,000 rupees. Why? Because if you pay 1,000 rupees now, your mind will be, yes, I paid 1,000 rupees, I should apply jobs. If it is free now, you are like, okay, chhod do, hum kal apply karenge. You should apply it daily. You should get it more and more things. Okay, and then you will get it. Go with the premium one, and then you will get your benefits, resume things, and all. Ranking will be top. You will get your own messages for phone and all. Take it the Naukri premium one. LinkedIn also premium one. If you take the premium ones, you will get it more such, sir. Especially experienced ones who are claiming. You two are saying it like, yeah, experienced one, na? Today only take it Naukri premium. Make your resume complete experienced one. Okay, and then put that resumes into the Naukri premium one and post it. Within 2-3 weeks now, you will get it so many jobs. Like within 1 week, you will get calls. Within 2-3 months, you will get 2-3 weeks, so many jobs you will get it. Put it experience one, put it like premium one. 100% you will get it. 1,000 rupees anyway you will spend, ma. What's your monthly expenditure, sir, in Amirpet? How much you are spending in Amirpet per month? 7. 6K is for hostel only, na? How much is your hostel rate? 5K. So in 2K, you are eating, you are working, you are doing everything in 2K only. And you are working something good, Ray. Boys, how much generally you will take? 6K per 5K for hostel and 1K. Array, you are working more congested than Array. How are you managing it with 1K, Ray? Like if you go for one biryani only, it will be 300, na? Huh? You are managing with hostel food only. Don't be like that, guys. Now I will give you good suggestion. You are not a kid, right? Evening you are free na? After 7 o'clock, do one part time. Take it a bike from your friend and go with the Rapido. or to go and work it within McDonald's, or do it in a shopping actually some kind of McDonald's or something kind of one. Evening 2-3 hours you can work. Evening if you work 4-5 hours, you will get it some 6K. Or actually on tutoring will be there. You go to home tuition for 1 month, every day you go it 1 hour, you will get it easily some 7-8K. No, my point is, don't struggle. This is your prime time to enjoy and learn. Now my point is, go 1 hour for tuitions. You can teach maths, you can teach English, you can teach chota, at least 10th class maths you can't teach, you can teach. Go there, teach it to some kids. You will get it money every month 7K. Spend it aram se some 3-4K, and remaining 2-3K save it for your life, or spend it like this kind of one in your development. If you are a person like every 1 rupee you are struggling it, your struggle doesn't mean anything, man. You wanted to eat something, eat it. You wanted to go for something, eat, go for it. But earn. What you will do evenings? Eat and sleep. Afternoons, what you will do? Eat and sleep. Going to the hostel, eating and sleeping. It's not right. Go out, take a tuition. Go out, do it in work. The last full stack batch, which I have it in this Naresh Shetty, that girl is working in this mall, Satya Mall. She's working in McDonald's. McDonald's? No, not Burger King. She worked here only. She studied here only. She's doing part-time. I'm not saying freelance. Bada bada words nako. Freelance and all like online. Acha rehta, freelance. But especially boys, girls are okay. Do it freelance online. You will get so many jobs. Boys, you can go and work, na? Right? Right, ma? You are still not, mama's boy. You are not in something like it your parents. Obviously, you have to struggle. Earn so that you will get it. Is this clear? Your job will take it like from today exactly 2 months. In 2 months, your course will be completed. You all will get job 100%. You will get it. Okay. But today, start taking part time. Arey, I don't know whether how you did. We all studied only while doing part time. What is wrong in it? Can't you get it a chota bakery, ma? No, take it part time. Don't go for full time. Tuitions, no one will take it full time, na? Part time रहता है ना tuitions. Daily 1-2 hours only you will do. Are you getting my point? If they are not paying you much, basic they will pay easily. Even for freshers, companies hiring experience only. Dekho, companies hire freshers also. This is a myth. Company saying it only fresh hiring things are not right. Companies hire freshers also, but you have to exactly understand which one you are targeting. Okay, try for startup companies. You will get it easily job. No, no, చెప్పండి. అక్కర్లేదు. Good. Someone is asking it like, sir, I'm applying job in UAE, so everyone wants experience. What to do? Dekho, if you are applying in UAE, actually UAE wants experience, but apply in US, they don't want experience. There are so many companies. If you work it in LinkedIn correctly, there are so many companies which are from India, but they are operating from US. They founded in India, but they are operating from US. So go to those companies and try to apply it. You will get it easily flexible hours. Online, are you getting it? My point, ma? Take it some companies which are from India, but which are there in the US operating it. If you check it in LinkedIn, you will find them. And then based on that, you go for it more and more. Any doubts? Online, any doubts? See, no one will give you direct peel. I'm just telling you, you have to search in depth. Okay. I go to LinkedIn. I type here React developer, US company, USA company. Now I will go here. See, I got it some people. I don't know why these people came. Are they working somewhere? Yes. Nebolucci. Oh, who is this? Okay, not good. Not good. Not good. We are hiring for entry level positions. Dekho, excited remote opportunities in USA based candidates. Try it's like simple. Don't go for USA. You don't need to go to USA. All you need is remote opportunities. And see, someone posted, can you see this? Someone posted, I designed and developed a user-friendly pet website, something kind of one. And everything you did it, post it there. Everything you did, post it here. It is looking bad actually. They will not give you a job. If you go for job also, if you are clicking for jobs also, click for only remote jobs. Don't click for everything. Click for remote jobs. Go for remote. Go for only remote jobs. See, HTML, CSS developer, someone wants it. Only HTML, CSS developer, someone wants it. Then go here. They wanted sole AI. We want clean 1 year plus experience. Dekho, if anyone says 1 year or less than 1 year experience, not say it like you already have it. Say it like you worked as a freelancer. If it is more than 1 year only, you need to show. If it is less than 1 year, you tell them you worked as a freelancer to some people and you designed some websites. You download some templates and change them and say it like you built this website to so and so people and those people paid you. Are you getting my point, ma? Say it like Naresh IT website you only built. Who will say? Are you getting my point, ma? Now, see, these kind of things, if you are applying it, go for this. Now, I don't want it to go. Now here, I will directly go to this company one. And in this company, people will be there. In this company, people are there. Where is the HRs? I want people to HRs. Here in this company, check it. Check it here. Who are the HRs in this company? And for that HRs, directly message it. Directly message it. See, never message it like I'm Prasad, I'm not having job, please give me job. Don't do that. तो एक अच्छा emotional connection करो. देखो, see, even in interviews, this is how the trick you should play. I have checked your profile. I have checked the company profile, and the company is looking so good. And this is what the company do, and I think I am fit for this particular role. I really liked it. Kind of things. When you say other persons, you really like their content. Automatically, other persons like to listen to your content. If you like someone's post, someone also likes your post. Simple logic. Okay. Do with this basic psychological things. Is it clear, ma? If I say I worked as a freelancer, I will get any problems in the interview? No, no problems. They will not ask you. They will just say it like, do you have any bills or something kind of one? You just say it like, no, I have it in my bank account, but no one paid it me through something kind of one. You can say it like you got it money by hand or bank account or something kind of one, but you can say it like no one, freelancing, you didn't have anything kind of one. You worked through references or something kind of one. Okay, but still they will consider. Okay, online is it clear, ma? Online is it clear? Online is it clear? Yeah, that's it for today, all, sir. Thank you all. Okay, have a successful journey. Do remember, practice and post and apply. These three things, do it every day. Practice, post, and apply. Thank you all. Yeah. Today is last day, sir. Again, tomorrow don't join. When your backend class starts, I think backend class starts by Sudhakar sir today only, na? Yeah, you can go with that. Okay. I don't know when mine will start. Today my Angular is starting actually. Okay. Bye bye.